All right. What's going on, everybody? What's happening? We're live. Markets in the afternoon, baby. Stock market, crypto market. Got a mixed bag. S&P's getting pounded. Bitcoin's up. So we're going to take a look at a lot of stuff. But welcome aboard. We're live on X and YouTube. Markets in the afternoon. I try to do this every day. I mean, I do it every day, no matter what. But I try to go live every day at the end. I day trade the S&P 500 live. I swing trade options live, and I try to do this recap. So let's take a look and let's get rolling. Give me a shout out. Who's here? What's up? All right. What's up? Bitcoin, 66,759. So Bitcoin is doing good, which if you look at the rest of the market, we got a lot of red. We're going to definitely take a look at that. But what I do like about Bitcoin is, number one, we broke out yesterday. Big ass green candle, right? Well, who's this? What's up? All right, y'all give me some shouts out, man. We're just hanging out. Who's here? What's up? Let me see here. Florida, how's everything going? O'Reilly? How's everything going over there in Florida, man? Or I'm not sure, just pretty awful, right? Those storms back to back. That's awful. I live in Texas, and I'm on the border, so we get some hurricanes, but man, Florida, I've been getting pounded, man. Crazy. So, hey, shout out from Florida, my brother. All right, 66. So again, what I like is yesterday we popped. We broke out, and we're following through right now. Now, we did sell off during the day. Okay, people were panicking. They're like, oh, my God, why the hell is everybody selling Bitcoin? But we popped back up, and right now we're flirting with this next key level. So we got to get above 66,000, let's say 600. So we got to stay right here. We can round it to an even 67. All good? That's good. I know Florida's big, but some parts got pounded, right? I've played baseball all throughout Florida. Fort Myers, Orlando, Daytona, Tallahassee, all that area. I played professional baseball a long time ago. Back in the days, right? I'm 49 years old. I've been trading for 17 years. I've been in the financial industry for 27. But way back then, I played baseball for the Atlanta Braves. Back in the days. So we got to hold this area, y'all. Pop it through. Love to see us get above it, and then we're stuck in this zone, right? So right now, we're flirting. We pop this key level. We got to get above it. So we'll see what happens. But Bitcoin's looking good right now. Gold. So I like gold, right? Gold's up today, 0.65%. And, gold's up. You can see the S&P is getting pounded like a drum. But gold's up today. What I like, we've been talking about this a lot. Just remember, guys, TPS. Trend. Pattern. Squeeze. If you're trying to trade the market, and I don't care if it's crypto, if it's stocks, I've been in this game a long time. Whenever they get cooking, this is what you're looking for, right? You're looking for these stacked moving averages to the upside, which you can see gold. The blue's above the red, above the pink. That's that trend. Pattern. When you start to consolidate off its highs, like here, and then you want to go down to this indicator, squeeze. You're not going to buy unless you're in a squeeze. Again, this is when it's trending. Now, if we're trying to catch the reversals, different story. We know how to, we drop it down into smaller time frames. But, gold. I know a lot of y'all trade gold, or a lot of y'all invest in gold. So there's your time. Whenever price is in between those moving averages, we call that the buy zone. It's very simple. Trend, You're in a pattern. That was the buy zone, right? You're in a black squeeze and you're up. You're making money. So gold's looking good. Gold's approaching this breakout area. Got to get above that. But that's solid. Hey, this one's interesting. The Russell 2000 is up today. Now, I do pay attention to the Russell 2000. I see a lot of people on X that do as well in the crypto market. Some people pay attention and they don't even know why they're doing that. But number one, this is the small caps, right? The 2000 small caps. So when everything's going good, you want to see this leading, because that tells you people are not scared. They're not scared, right? This is where you get your most returns. And this is why crypto correlates really well with the Russell 2000, is because it's high risk. It's aggressive. So we want to see this good. But there's a couple things on this. Right here, we have not broken that high. Okay, let me go check this out. Anyway, I'm glad you're okay. Seriously. Right there, September 19th. So about a month ago, we have not broken that high. We need to get above it. You can see Bitcoin right now take that same high. Well, this is the 27th, but this is the high that correlates with the Russell. We flirted today. It sold off. So we're going to see which one can get through that high, but we've got to see that. I'm telling you, got to see that. Now let's talk about the trend, right? If you were going to, and again, maybe you don't invest in the Russell, I do, but trend, you're looking for these to be stacked. The blue above the red above the pink. Check. Pattern, we started to consolidate, squeeze. Right there, you can see these different color dots. That tells us multiple things, but right there, you are in the buy zone. So if you're a trader or short-term investor, and even in these cryptos, that's the time. You'll see, man. We'll take a look at it. You'll see. And it happens on all time frames, too. All time frames. So Russell 2000 is looking good. XRP is up against Ethereum today. We'll come back to that. So look at the market. Let me bring this platform over really quick. This is a 𝗙𝘂𝘁𝗂𝗿𝗀 by Charles Schwab. I use this to trade options. Okay, so like for example, let's say you're going to trade, I don't know, y'all know NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA. A lot of people look at NVIDIA. So how can you make money off NVIDIA? You can buy the stock, right? It's $130 a share. All right, that's one way. You can do right here. You can buy calls and puts. Basically, options are a way to leverage the stock. People who trade options is whenever the stocks are too expensive. So they come in here and they leverage it, but I teach it and I trade it. I actually traded it live today, and I think that video is going to go out tonight at 6 o'clock. I think so. Okay. So NVIDIA, right? All sorts of cool shit. But anyway, this platform is when I do it. 51 S&P's down, bearish engulfing, right? Y'all know that engulfing candle. They go nasty red. Let me pull it back aside. This is my watch list that I'm looking like. In this case, Brazil. I'm looking to trade Brazil. Yeah, bond market, semiconductors, all that. But let's move that off to the side. Keep rolling. Anyway, Russell 2000. The United States dollar. I don't know if y'all look at it. I'm assuming y'all do. But you can see how this bad boy has been screaming. And look, we got that moving average crossover. So when you're looking for these reversals, there's many ways, right? You hear people or you see posts on X or you watch videos, people talking about double bottoms, inverted head and shoulders. Absolutely. So what you want to see is you want to see these moving averages, which in this case, they were stacked to the downside. So the dollar was taking a beating. And then right here, when that blue crosses, well, first clue is going to cross the red, then it's going to cross the pink. And then you just look for, like in this case, you got that W pattern. So that's the key. And again, I know a lot of you look at this. You should be looking at this. That's when the dollar reversed. Plus that squeeze fired. So the dollar is, well, it's really weird. It shows that it's down a little, but it shows that it's up. So let's just say it's flat. Let's just say it's flat. This one right here, right? Taking a beating. S&P 500. I love to trade between 2:30 and 3. So I trade in the morning because somebody asks me all the time. And again, we've got university students in here as well. Mike, I trade in the morning and the afternoon. So in the morning, I do day trading the S&P 500. So we day trade it for members. We day trade in the schools. Sometimes we'll just go live for everybody, but I do have a lot of lives. We day trade the S&P 500. Then we swing trade options. So I do all that in the morning. And then between 2:30 and 3, I jump on because I'm looking for opportunities right now. While we're here, if I see an opportunity, I'm gonna take the trade. Whether it's an option trade, crypto, it doesn't matter. S&P is down 48. It's got 20 minutes before the stock market, U.S. stock market closes. Look at that nasty engulfing. Pretty nasty. Coinbase. Coinbase kind of looks like Bitcoin. I don't know if y'all pay attention, but you want to look at Coinbase for sure. Take a look at it. So yesterday, what did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin broke out. We'll go back right here. It broke out of its high. Right now, you can see Bitcoin is up here, but it's pausing. Right? Take a look at that little spinning top looking shit. Look at that. Kind of similar, right? Except this was green. But again, if you don't watch Coinbase, I love buying Coinbase. Remember, stock markets, you're investing in companies. You're investing in companies. That's how Warren Buffett got so damn rich. He did all his research on what to invest in. I've been in the stock market for 27 years, and I love it. I like the crypto market, too. I've only been in the crypto market 7. All right, so we're pausing. I do what's called a second chance breakout. Take a look at this. So this is what you got to be looking for, right? This is the 30-minute chart. And I'm just kind of hanging out with y'all. But look at this. You came down into this key level. We had that cross. You shifted from yellow to blue, right? So that's negative momentum to positive. It's big. And now you're taking off. And look, you're going in a squeeze. Remember TPS. TPS. Trend. Again, this is how you make a lot of money. I'm telling you right now. Fuckload of money. Trend, pattern, you can see it's starting to consolidate off its highs, squeeze. You can enter in this buy zone. So like right here, you never made it. So that's where I really like to enter around this 21. And you can just catch it, bam. Because when you get these squeezes, that's the move. And again, this is Coinbase, but it doesn't matter. This can be Bitcoin. This can be XRP. It can be Ethereum. It's the same thing. But what I do is I'm drawing these key levels and I'm looking for reactions. Coinbase down. Coinbase is down. S&P is down 46, taking a beating. Dow Jones down 335. NASDAQ down 311. Russell 2000 is only index up, but surprising. All right, XRP. What's XRP doing? 54 cents. So XRP is living in this zone. 50 cents, basically that 56 cent area. That's where XRP has been living for a while. We did have this nasty candle with volume pop through that key level. We pushed in this zone. It's not doing much of anything. Okay, just kind of flopping around. But it is down. Well, Bitcoin's up. XRP's down. So, all right. But it ain't doing nothing. Okay, there's not even an opportunity, right? So you're looking for trend. There's no trend. Right now, you can see you're just kind of chopping. So what you want to look is right here. So for those of you that are big into XRP, this is what you look for. I'm telling you, this is it. This is all you got to do. So you're headed down. The blue cross right there. And you broke through. Check this out. So they got stacked. You want to see them stacked. So trend, pattern, just consolidation. There's your squeeze. See these green dots? You don't enter on the green dots unless it's a breakout. Right there. There's the buy zone. That's it. You buy right there. And bam, shoot up. And then you're in another squeeze. shot up. Again, maybe short-term trading, hit your target, but now you just wait. You just wait. And you're kind of in that no man's land. The best spot to take these is down in this area, but oh well. Right now, it doesn't matter. XRP ain't doing nothing. You know, they got Ripple swell, I think, going on this week, right? Well, obviously, that ain't doing nothing. Sonali! What's going on, Sonali? Sonali says, should I buy the 𝗕𝗢𝘁𝗂𝗿𝗀𝗀? You know, I like the 𝗕𝗢𝘁𝗂𝗁𝗁 Pro. And, I mean, you can get the 𝗕𝗢𝘁𝗁𝗁 or you can buy the 𝗕𝗢𝘁𝗁𝗁 Pro. Personally, I like the Pro because of the black dots, the orange dots, right? If you don't have it. Also, I am an affiliate for it. I use it. If anybody gets that indicator through my link, I'm going to send you over some stuff and teach you how to use it for free. Plus, if you're on Thinkorswim, I'm going to give you all sorts of stuff. Check this out. On this platform, I got this code right here that tells you if it's in a squeeze. So you can look at all of these and it'll tell you. I'm going to give it for free. Anybody who gets the 𝗕𝗢𝘁𝗁𝗁 through my link and you let me know, I'm going to give you all sorts of stuff. Because, hey, you help me, I help you. There's a November sale. All right. And you know we day trade. Sonali, you were with us in the school. I don't know what happened, but we day trade every day. Today, we got 23 points. Yesterday, we got 20 points. We're over 45 points for the week. That's thousands of dollars. We day trade every day. Every day. So easy. Today, we nailed it. Just like that. All right. Let's keep rolling. But thanks for being here, too. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up or something, man. It like spreads this out. All right, so Cardano. I like Cardano. I'm not going to lie. I'm waiting for Cardano to do something, though. We're trapped in between these levels. We're trapped in between. So we came up here. We did not break out. Bitcoin broke out. So Cardano's a dog. Cardano's a dog. All right? But I bet you can see that reversal on the smaller time frame. Check this out. I bet you. Right? In this area. Okay, so we came up here, chopped around, but take a look at what's happening now. Right? We're stacked to the downside. So this gets cooking. Look for that trend. Look for the squeeze. Again, I'm not going to teach right now, but we teach every day. Right now, we're just kind of doing a recap of what's happening. There's a lot of red on the board. S&P 500 is bringing everybody down. 48. So Cardano's down. Can't get above there. Ethereum, same thing, right? I do like the fact that Ethereum broke out yesterday, just like Bitcoin, right? Broke out yesterday of the breakout. Again, I love breakouts. I'm going to say this, and I always say this. You always hear people say, don't buy green candles. That's true to an extent. Don't buy random green candles. Whenever you are breaking through a key area, you can buy. That's evidence. These breakouts, look right here. That was a breakout. Bam. You don't want to buy a random green candle because it's not breaking out. I'm telling you. Breakouts, bounces, you got it. Ethereum broke out. It pulled back. You can add to a position again if you trade or you invest. Can I do this? I love it. But it is pulling back. We got to hold this area, 2,521, right? NVIDIA. We're going to take a look at oh, wow. Look at that. NVIDIA is nasty today. Down 4.94%. Had a nice run up. Buyers are just stepping away. There's no need to get scared on these red candles, man. Buyers are just stepping away. They're letting it pull back so they can get a better price. That's all, right? So right now, if you're going to buy NVIDIA, you're looking for that, what? TPS, trend pattern squeeze. So are we trending? Yeah. Are we consolidating in a pattern? No, we're not. Not yet. let it consolidate, go in a squeeze, scoop it up, take off, right? But it's getting waxed today, right? NVIDIA. So it's down. S&P 500, let me go back here. Because again, I'm looking at my screen, Sonali. You know, we trade options. So I'm looking for entries. Market's down 47. I'm looking at the bond market too and the semiconductors. All right. Look at H-bar. That's what I'm talking about. H-bar is breaking out. It's thinking about breaking out right now, up 6.19%. That's a key area. If we can get above this key area, then you're gonna, if you trade, you can go to the smaller time frame and look for those those squeezes, right? And just keep popping it, keep popping it. Or if it just breaks out, you can just buy H-bar if that's your thing. But you don't want to buy right here. Let it pop out. Okay? Let it pop out. H-bar is looking good though. Litecoin, believe it or not. Hey, look at Litecoin. Litecoin is breaking out right now. Actually, Litecoin broke out, went up to 71, key level, pull back. 9 minutes, the market closes. We're at 46. S&P's up 46. I'm not seeing any entries. Gold is up 12. Silver's up. Bonds are up. Russell's up. But the market, the S&P is getting waxed. But anyway, breakout. I like Litecoin. Okay, 71.56. Now you're trapped in the zone. Let's go look at a smaller time frame, just out of curiosity, right? All right, so you're in that zone. There's no entry right now. So if you're going to just buy Litecoin, let it go in a squeeze, let it consolidate, pick it up in the buy zone. But we pop through, and now we're just kind of pulling back. So, I like it. We already saw Bitcoin's up, gold's up. Yeah, we already looked at gold. That's the perfect example of these squeezes, man. Bam. Bam. Chainlink's down. One of my buddies chased Chainlink. It's just kind of chopping around sideways, right? There's no trend at all. There's no trend. We're just going sideways. You really got to get those moving averages stacked, get it trending, let it consolidate in a squeeze, enter, or you can take the breakout. Right now we haven't broken out. We're just trending sideways. Algorand, sideways. There's nothing to do. Nothing to do until we pop out of that key level. Right now we're trapped between 13 cents and 11. Well, 11.9. Tron. This guy's been doing pretty good. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Tron. Is it trending? You better believe it, right? You better believe we broke out. Let me zoom in. So we broke out right here. We popped. Could have taken it. Now, stacked moving averages. We're pulling back. You're going into a squeeze. So let it consolidate, and then you can pick Tron up if you trade Tron. I love Tron. I'm waiting for it to pop out of here and get going. But we got to hold this area. If we break through this area, we'll slip back down into this range. So I'd like to see it kind of chop around, go into a squeeze, TPS, bam. I'm talking about. What else y'all like? Let me know. Ethereum's still down 1.47. Hey, S&P's fighting back a little bit, down 41.40, right? So it's kind of, if you look at it on a smaller time frame, this is what I day trade on the 3-minute chart. I day trade the S&P. It's kind of fighting back a little bit. You can see down here that double bottom, right? So, I mean, it's down only 42. It is starting to fight back some right here on the 3-minute chart at the end of the day. You know, people that were short, they're just buying it back before the market close. But that's what we do. What else? Dogecoin. Again, Dogecoin. Look at that. We broke out, and now it's pausing right at this area. Right at this area. You see on a smaller one. Now, and it's just kind of, there's really no trend going on, so you can't enter, right? But down today. I think Solana. Mike wants to look at Solana. Mike, look at that, man. Broke out. Beautiful. Beautiful breakout. Power yesterday. There's a lot of stuff yesterday that was up. S&P's down 43. How's it going to finish? Pull back. You know, just kind of dancing around. You can look for that consolidation, the trend, the pattern, the squeeze. So, Matic down 1.6. This one's ugly, like ugly, right? We're trending to the downside. Just kind of chopping around, not doing much. So it's not doing much. But again, I do like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's broke out, and if we can break out of 66,700-ish, but hold it, like right now, we hold it. Next stop, 71,900. Okay, that's, again, once you break a key level, hold it, you look for it to work its way up to the next key level. Long as we hold, anything in the middle's noise. You're just going to, and if you want to trade Bitcoin, I'm telling you, if you want to trade it on a smaller time frame, look for those trending moving averages, consolidation, go into a squeeze, position size in the buy zone ahead of the explosion. Work your way up to that key level. That's how you do it. Breakouts, right? And then these squeezes off key levels. So Bitcoin's there. S&P 547 is kind of giving it back here at the end. Not a lot going on, man. I mean, again, I do like gold, but kind of just bring it over here back to this platform. I got no opportunities. I'm watching, like I said, Micron. I'm looking at Micron. Nothing. What's this one doing? Copart. I'm liking it. But the silver's up. Bond market's up. Gold up. Russell 2000 right now up, pulling back. In that squeeze, though, right? In that squeeze, you can see right here, bullish stacked moving averages. Right there. Stacked moving averages. It's consolidating. It's in that squeeze. We're just too high. Let it come back down into that buy zone for those of y'all that trade the squeeze. S&P's down 52. So obviously we're going to close red. Dow Jones down 381. But again, in a squeeze, stacked moving averages. Trend, let it consolidate, pop it in the buy zone, and go to work. We'll see what happens here. But I do like Bitcoin right now. If it can hold this, that's going to be big for everything. If Bitcoin can hold that 67, I think everything else is going to cook. Okay? But you want to watch Bitcoin, you want to watch Ethereum, you want to watch Coinbase, right? You want to make sure Ethereum holds 25. You definitely want to watch Coinbase. And then you want to look at it, went green. You want to hold, and you want this Russell 2000 to get above this September 19th high. If it does that, we are in business. We're in business. So there you go. If you don't got the Squeeze Pro, it's not my indicator, but I love it. And anybody who gets it through my link, I'm going to teach you how to use it, man. It's a great one. TPS, right? Breakout, all this good stuff. So we'll see what happens, man. I mean, look at the Russell. Russell has to get above this high. Clear this one, gone. And then look at Bitcoin, right? I got all our levels. We got it. Hold this. It's coming, man. Up, Bitcoin, 67. We're back over it. We're back over 67. O'Reilly, Sonali, and everybody else. See what happens, man. I'll be back here again tomorrow for the crypto in the market. Join me if you want to day trade the S&P 500. Day trade the S&P 500 futures, right? S&P, a lot of money. You can make a full-time income. Swing trade options. Show you how to take NVIDIA and make some money, right? And Coinbase, make some money. And then, of course, always trading crypto. Market's closing right now. Ding, ding, ding. S&P finished down 44. So on that one, Dow Jones down 353, NASDAQ down, Russell 2000 pretty flat. That's fine. You know, we made a little bit of money today. That's good, about $1,000. So that's good. You can see right here. I'll just bring it over. We traded earlier, but I don't know if we'll fucking show you, dude. Right here. That's fine, dude. We made 664 over here on the day. Okay, here. We made several hundred plus. We made over $1,000 today. That's pretty good, right? $1,000 a day. You want to make some money? Come with us. All right, everybody. We'll see y'all later. Everybody, crush that shit. Peace.